What's going on, micro scale garagers? Alright, so I didn't have a steering throw. I was using this steering rod here, so I switched out to a longer one. Got my new tie rod in on the Bronco. I kind of did a little bit of bending. It's my first time doing some bending. They look like they're towed out a little bit. But that's okay. Right now I'm printing out version 3 of my Jeep Cherokee pickup truck body. And it's coming out a lot bigger, so I'm hoping that it's just going to be able to fit good on the A02 and the A03 Defender. I modeled it more kind of close to the scale of the OH35 P01 Orlando Hunter, so that way I can use the P01 axles. That's how I wanted it, so that way my Wrangler can be my Wrangler. It's a little two-door Jeep, you know, it's not as big as a Jeep Cherokee. So it's body's printing right now. Let's take a quick look at it real quick. Alright, so it's been printing now for a day now and 6 hours, 27 minutes. It's getting ready to print the roof. Here's version 1 that fits the Jeep, and that layer height was 0.2. See the difference. Here's version 2. That almost fits the Orlando Hunters. I don't think it was wide enough, so I think I made it about the same. No, it's a little bit longer and much wider, and it's gonna be much taller, as you see. And then with me doing that, because it's a 0.3 nozzle, I'm not using a 0.2 anymore. You can kind of see the Jeep logo coming about. The layer height looks a lot better. And I hope I got enough PLA. So it's coming out good. It's at 84%. It's almost done. We'll do a proper video with it if everything works out with the GoPro and stuff. But right now I'm about to try and put that steering link on, so that way I can go outside and drive on the micro course. My bridge broke. Cosmo stepped on it. No, actually, I take that back. He walked by it, but it just fell apart because the PLA was black, and the wire that I had in there, it was just some like speaker wire. It just melted, came apart. So all I gotta do is just run some new wiring through it. But yeah, I'm gonna fix my fix my steering linkage, and then grab the GoPro, and then we're gonna go out there and do a micro rigs video, because I'm editing a video right now on the GoPro with me just riding the go-kart, just jumping the go-kart and talking about future plans, what I want to do with the go-kart and stuff, about turbocharging it and everything. Sorry about that light. So that yeah, once I do that, then we can get out there and hopefully steer the doggone Bronco. Oh. Alright, I got the steering trimmed out on the controller. Gonna get ready to put this on. This might be a little too long now that I'm looking at it, but I hope not. We'll check it out in a second. Ooh. Let's go drive it real quick and grab the GoPro too. My battery's really low, but I'm really loving these M&Ms. But we can still get some drive time. I'll unplug the 2S LiPo real quick. Alright, YouTubers, micro scale garagers. I don't want to start off at the camp. I want to kind of make it to the camp. That's what the point of this video is going to be about. But let's go ahead and test this steering out before I get to trying to drive and having some fun with my Bronco. And my camera's just taking pictures. Oh, Oh man, I like that right there. Full steering, but for right now I gotta take Christine's styrofoam off her controller. Truck set in high. I'm gonna put it in medium. Let's go ahead and drop it in low. Oh, which way do I want to go? Let's I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it over this grass, but you know what? We gotta do the video justice. We gotta hit record on the GoPro. Gotta get that shot. Alright, that looks good. I spent too much time. I don't want to be in the video, so you guys can see how I do this. Let's set the GoPro right here, and then hopefully I'm gonna see where I'm at, my axles. These extra speed 28mm tires. Alright, go ahead and hit record. That might be a little leaning too down, but let's get out of the wide view. We might be in the view. That's nice. Alright, it's crawling good. I'm gonna continue driving. These extra speed tires, they're not really grippy on that marble. I would like to get a shot of it going down. Let me put the controller in high. Yeah, spinning the tires a little too much. But I'll have more videos of the Bronco and more videos of the go-kart and stuff. Without me driving it, I tried to jump it without brakes, and I ended up breaking the throttle cable. So now not only a caliper we gotta order, but we gotta order throttle cable, and then I kind of talk about the turbocharger I want to do for the go-kart. So that's all gonna be soon, you guys. Like, share, subscribe. Peace and love. God bless. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm stuck on some grass I gotta clean up on the track. There we go. Let's go ahead and hit down there. We made it.